What is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is decentralized money, free from any government or central bank's chains. It relies on blockchain technology and uses cryptography to secure transactions done by people, making it impossible to counterfeit. However, in August 2010, a hacker found a loophole in the Bitcoin protocol. The hacker exploited the vulnerability and created an infinite amount of Bitcoins by making multiple transactions before logging them into the blockchain. The user created 184 billion Bitcoins in a few hours, but his plot was discovered, and the transactions were invalidated. To date, this has been the only threat to the Bitcoin network. The purpose behind the creation of Bitcoin was to help people send money over the internet. It is a digital currency, an alternate payment system free from any control that works exactly like traditional currencies. To better understand cryptocurrency, you must know about the three terminologies: blockchain, decentralization, and cryptography. Blockchain in cryptocurrency is the showrunner. It is a digital ledger whose access is distributed between authorized users and records transactions. The information and access are shared among the registered users. So, anything the blockchain records is transparent and immutable. The information cannot be tampered with or hacked, not even by the administrator. Decentralization in cryptocurrency means that the asset is free from governing bodies like central banks. This mechanism makes cryptocurrencies independent. At the same time, the centralized money we use is monitored and managed by the RBI. Cryptography in cryptocurrency means secret writing, which means the recipient can only read messages. It takes care of the transactions, protects operational autonomy, and fortifies the entire chain.